The only way to get things done efficiently is doing them remotely. If you have to travel to the homeowner's residence every time there is a problem, then you're not making money. And so we see a very important trend, which is switching into live monitoring, and more of our accounts, and essentially with the next generation of our networks, every network is going to come with that service built into it, like it or not. You're getting it. We'd like to see the integrators put value on their service and what they do and what we do by selling that service to the homeowners. And I can tell you, with the integration system I have at home, the integrator never even pitched me on recurring services and on a service contract. It's something that salespeople that I've met with usually like to shy away from. And it's time we turn that corner as an industry and start putting value on what we do.
So in regards to our live monitoring service that we offer, that's really a way to create a turnkey system for an integrator and make it easy for systems to be deployed quickly and efficiently, and allow us to do the ongoing monitoring of the devices on the network and service those products, service that site, let the integrator know that there's an issue. But beyond that, where we're going in 2018 is into a training and certification program. We're going to empower dealers to be more efficient when they're deploying systems that maybe weren't programmed by us. Maybe they are buying something more of a standard purchase process where they're going to do it quick and easy. And we're going to take that level of expertise that we have in-house, and we're going to share that level of information with the dealer base by bringing them to this location and doing troubleshooting training, configuration training, setup training, all the things that will make a dealer's installation and technician team much more efficient in the field.
So the ACE training program, or Access Network Certified Expert initiative we've created this year, was really designed to help integrators not only become more efficient when deploying our pre-configured network solutions, but also to give them more advanced knowledge to understand really how Wi-Fi works, and when you're faced with different issues, which we all will be, how to actually ascertain the exact issue that's causing the problem, to therefore really come off as being an expert to your customer and providing them the level of service they've come to expect from our dealer integrators.